Ho ho!
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara here with another video, guys. Yes, so guys, remember I promised y'all that I will show you guys how I make my sorrel juice, my Christmas sorrel juice, or my Jamaican sorrel juice, whatever you want to call it. So tonight is the night. It's actually pretty late now, but what I normally do, like, or how I make my sorrel juice, I will like make it overnight, let it soak overnight. Depending on the amount of sorrel you have, I have a lot. This is my sorrel, and this is 2 pounds of sorrel. So this is what it looks like. So here we are. Am I like going on the floor? All right. So first thing I'm going to do, you're gonna need a big pot of water, guys, depending on the amount of sorrel you have. Because I have 2 pounds of sorrel, I'm going to use this really big pot with a lot of water and put it to boil on my stove. So you're gonna get this big empty container. I'm gonna put the sorrel in this, and then I'm gonna pick my sorrel, like to take out any bad sorrel that's in the package. So here we are, because you don't wanna like prepare your sorrel and then there's like bad spoiled sorrel, because I'm sure everything in this is not completely, like, for example, like this doesn't look good to me. So I'm just going to throw this out. Anything that looks a little old, like this. This is a good sorrel. It's good when it's like this. See that? This is a perfectly good sorrel. So I'm just going to pick out the bad ones. Okay guys, so the next step is washing the sorrel. You want to make sure your sorrel is really clean, okay? So here it's under the running water. Okay guys, so now that our sorrel is completely clean, squeaky clean, we're gonna go ahead and do the next step. So over here we have our water boiling. It's now boiling, guys. Look at that. Yes, that's what you want it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the sorrel inside of the boiling water. Like that. Some people do their sorrel different, but this is the way my grandmother taught me, and I think you get more out of the sorrel when you do it like this. Some people blend it and some people boil it. I just know that my grandmother taught me to just let it slow, like turn on the stove completely low and let it sit there for maybe like 10 minutes. Okay guys, so while the sorrel is over there doing its thing, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the ginger. I like to use a lot of ginger because I like it when I can actually taste the ginger in my sorrel drink. So I'm gonna use this amount of ginger. I feel like lately ginger is not as strong as it used to be back in the days, so that's why I feel like I have to use a lot in order to taste the ginger into the drink. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel the ginger or scrape it. So that's what I'm doing now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash the ginger. So this is it. Just get it washed, make sure it's clean. In order to get the best out of your ginger, guys, I like to slit it in the middle. Like that. Yes. Okay. And then I don't know what you guys use, but I will just use the back of my knife. You can use, please don't do this step. Please don't do what I do, but this is what I'm going to do. Because I'm used to this, so I know how not to hurt myself. And I'm gonna beat the ginger. See? Didn't hurt myself. So guys, after I beat all this ginger, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pot with the sorrel. Alright? So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, guys, this is already just been on the stove for maybe 3 to 5 minutes now. You can see that. Look at that. And the sorrel, they're not as red as they was, so you can see that it's extracting everything. Okay guys, so now that you guys saw how I do my overnight preparation for my sorrel, I'm just gonna let this sit on the stove for another 2 minutes or a minute, and I'm gonna turn the stove off and let it sit there overnight. Okay, so everything, that warm water is just gonna take out everything out of that sorrel, and when I wake up in the morning, it's gonna be so rich in flavor and so rich in color. It will be amazing, guys, I'm telling you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow, guys. So I'm gonna take it out, strain it, mix it, and show you guys what I put in it to preserve it. Because I'm not gonna drink this sorrel until Christmas Day, but I'm making it now. Today is the 18th of December, yes. So I'm gonna keep this. It's gonna be almost like wine, okay? When I'm ready to drink it on Christmas Day, it's gonna be so good. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm finishing up my sorrel drink. See you guys tomorrow. Sleep tight. Hey guys. So this is the next day, which is nighttime again. I was super busy today, so I didn't get to do it in the daytime, so I'm doing it right now. Okay guys, so here we have our sorrel juice still in the pot. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after it has been complete. So this is what the sorrel, this is the trash. It's not as red as it was, as you guys can see that. Yeah. So this is the juice. Look at that. Look at all that richness, guys. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to sweeten the juice. But before we do that, we're going to get this empty container. Before we do that, you want to strain the juice to separate the trash from the juice. So that's what we're going to do right now. So guys, now that you have your sorrel drink strain, what you're gonna need now, well, if you're not gonna drink your sorrel juice right away, I'll recommend you to put some pimento seed to help preserve it. So I think you can also use rice also, but my grandmother used pimento seed, so that's why I'm continuing to do that, because I'm not gonna drink my sorrel juice until Christmas Day, as I told. So this one then also, this is optional guys. I'm gonna put some Jamaican white rum in it also because I like it. You can also put fruit wine in it just to have a little adult taste to the drink, I guess. And the next thing you're gonna need is some sugar. This is brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. It's all up to you, your preference. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sugar. We're just gonna start. Guys, can you see how rich this sorrel drink is? Can you see how rich this is? Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the white rum. I'm not gonna use a lot, just like a little. This is optional guys, as I told you, just like that. Or you can use fruit wine, whichever one is your preference. Guys, let's go ahead and taste it to see if it's to my liking. Just get like a spoonful. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god guys, this is so good. This is exactly to my liking. Perfect. I don't want no more sugar. I don't want no more nothing. This is perfect. So of course you can go ahead and have this on some ice and drink it. So guys, here we are ready to drink. This is ready to drink guys. So all you have to do, get a glass with some ice. And your sorrel is ready to go. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. And of course, I'm going to try my own sorrel drink. Cheers. Cheers. Guys, this is so good. So I'm gonna put the pimento seed in the rest of it, guys. The fact that I'm not going to have the rest of this, guys, I'm just gonna put my pimento seed inside it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. That in here. Also, guys, the last thing is you want to put this in a bottle and cover it and put it somewhere out of your reach, I guess, or somewhere out of, I don't know, just put it somewhere so it can stay there and be ready for Christmas, so it don't tempt you to drink it all off. Okay, so guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was informative, and I hope this video helped you guys. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.